Let us take question number 4 on beam reactions. A simply supported beam is of 10 meter span, full stop. It has UDL of 25 kilonewton per meter throughout its length and point loads of 80 kilonewton and 120 kilonewton at 3 meter and 8 meter from left hand support, full stop. Calculate support reactions. So this is the problem which we have. Now whatever is given in the problem, with the help of that we will draw the diagram first. A simply supported beam is of 10 meter span. Next, it has UDL of 25 kilonewton per meter throughout its length. And point loads of 80 kilonewton and 120 kilonewton at 3 meter and 8 meter from left hand support. So 80 kilonewton is at 3 meter distance. (120 kilonewton is at 8 meter distance. Calculate support reactions. It means if I say here the reaction is Ra, here Rb, we have to calculate both the values. So now whatever this UDL is given, first I will convert this into point load and then start the solution. So I'll say that in the solution part, again I will be drawing a beam. UDL is having intensity of 25 kilonewton per meter acting over a length of 10 meter. So its value is 25 into 10, which comes out to be 250 kilonewton acting at half. Then here I have 2 point loads. One is located at 3 meters from A. Now here I have converted the UDL into point load. So I'll mark the points here C, D and E, and I have to calculate what is Ra and what is Rb. So as per the previous problem, I would be using conditions of equilibrium here. Since by conditions of equilibrium, the first one is summation of Fy is equal to 0. Upward force is positive, downward force is negative. Hence, Ra plus Rb, because both are upward, minus 80 minus 250 and minus 120, all are downwards. That's equal to 0. Therefore, Ra plus Rb, this value comes out to be, it will be minus 450. If I shift it onto the other side, that becomes plus 450, and this is my equation number 1. After this, I will say that sum of moments of all forces is equal to 0. That's my second condition of equilibrium. I will be taking moments of all forces at point A. So sum of moments of all forces at point A is equal to 0. Clockwise moment to be taken as positive, anti-clockwise moment as negative. Therefore, RB is upward, so if I take the moment, it will be in the anti-clockwise direction, that is minus RB into 10. 120 is downward, so the moment produced would be clockwise, plus 120 into 8. 250 kilonewton is acting downward. It is at a distance of 5 meters, so plus 250 into 5. 80 kilonewton is acting downward, so it will produce clockwise moment, so positive, plus 80 into 3, that's equal to 0. Therefore, here I have minus 10 RB. If I calculate all terms here, my answer comes out to be 2050. And since I have shifted it onto the other side, it is with a negative sign. Therefore, RB value is equal to 205 kilonewton. This is my first answer. Hence, I'll say that put RB in equation 1. Therefore, RA comes out to be, it will be 245 kilonewton. It would be 245 kilonewton. That's my second answer. So if we look into this question, there were two things asked. To calculate reaction at A, reaction at B. Reaction at A, we have found the value 245 kilonewton. Reaction at B, the answer is 205 kilonewton. And with this, we complete this question.